Our Studio presents.
Shark Tank star Kevin O'Leary's wife Linda is being charged in connection to a fatal boat crash that occurred last month in Canada. A crash occurred on August 24 and saw the O'Leary boat crashing into the larger boat, going over that boat's bow, and striking and killing a passenger. Another passenger also died, and others were injured. Linda has been charged with careless operation of a vessel, while the operator of the other boat has been charged with failing to exhibit navigation light while underway.